I'm Bruce Umbaugh, and I'm a philosopher here at Webster University's home campus in suburban St. Louis. I've been involved with the Association for General and Liberal Studies for more than a decade in a variety of roles, and I've always very much appreciated the ways that AGLS has supported me as a general and liberal education administrator. Because AGLS is an association of scholar practitioners, it's the one place I go where I'm surrounded by colleagues who are both engaged in the work day in and day out of advancing the cause of general and liberal education, of administering, developing, and improving general education and liberal education programs, but also in the reflective practice of scholarship, attention to what works and what doesn't through both formal assessment and through informal means. And so when I attend something like the AGLS annual meeting, which we call a constitute because it's both a conference and a working session, an institute, when I attend the constitute, I'm surrounded by people who can give me ideas that I can bring back to my colleagues here in St. Louis and at our other campus locations. I'm surrounded by colleagues who are a good sounding board, who can improve the ideas that I have, who have thoughts about how to address problems that we're confronting, and most of all, colleagues who understand what it is to be involved in administering and leading programs of general and liberal education. It also turns out to be a great place to share your work, to do presentations on your own or with colleagues, and to get that kind of feedback on your own reflection and scholarship. The Constitute happens once a year, but all through the year we have other activities in AGLS, such as our ongoing programs of live video chats, some of those on topics with a small group of people presenting and leading a discussion about some of them. Some of them a more open format that we've been calling Gen Ed Reformers Anonymous, where if you're working on developing a new Gen Ed program, if you're working on implementing changes to your program of liberal education in your institution, it's a place where you can come and let your hair down a little bit, speak within the cone of silence, where everyone is going to understand the things that you're wrestling with. AGLS offers a variety of prizes to recognize the good work that people do on our campuses as campus and national leaders, as individuals, and to recognize exemplary general and liberal education programs. And that external recognition and validation can be really important to helping you advance the program and advance the cause and the mission of what you're trying to do on your campus. For people who are new to general education work, no one of us went to college to become a general education administrator. We offer the Welcome to the Neighborhood event at the Constitute each year, a way to bring people into the work of general education, help acquaint them with the resources that AGLS offers and things like that. And an ongoing project that may never reach completion is developing the playbook of moves and responses to questions and problems that any of us encounters doing this work. AGLS has been really meaningful to me as an individual. It's been very important to my home institution over this period of years. I'm very glad to have been part of it, to be part of it. I'm very glad to have the opportunity to share some of this with you and to be part of supporting you in your important work.